Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be fully restoring the front and rear suspension on the Audi Coupe GT. Let's go and take a look. Now, in our previous videos, we'd stripped the rear down to the bare bones and we've been shopping and we bought loads of parts. Since then, I've stripped the front down to bits as well, and I found pretty much the same condition as you'd expect for a car that's done 70,000 miles, that's 38 years old and has been sat outside for about 3 years. Pretty much gone to town and I've ordered everything. Let's get it unboxed. A pair of front wheel bearings, the lower arms, a pair of anti-roll bar bushes, a pair of front flexi brake lines, a pair of top mounts complete ball joints, a pair of Delphi track rod ends, a pair of drop links, again the original perished bushes, rusty, yuck, gacky. These brand new bushes, sexy, lovely to go with everything else that's brand new. It's going to make it an absolute dream to reassemble, and it makes sense. You eliminate every single little bit of play in that front suspension and it'd be as tight as the day it left the factory. So now that we've got all the bits, we can fire them back onto the car, and before that we can do a little bit of stone chipping on the front and rear arches to protect everything and make everything look factory fresh, because if we're going to the trouble of replacing everything and painting everything, we don't want to put that beautiful picture on a horrible grotty background, do we? And also, whilst we're in that area, we'll do a little bit of cavity waxing behind the arch liners and a bit of protection to hopefully allow this car to last for another 38 years. So there we have it, wonderfully refreshed front and rear suspension. Everything underneath is glorious, and in our next video we're going to work our way into the engine bay to make that beautiful and match the rest of the underneath of the car with the wonderful, beautifully preserved interior and the lovely exterior, and it's all getting very exciting, and I can almost smell the MOT station. Thanks for watching. See you soon.